Yeah, so one of the major things that we see in paediatrics is an illness called bronchiolitis, which affects babies under the age of a year normally. And traditionally, we see a big influx in babies with this condition, normally several times during the winter. And when this happens, we have large numbers of babies that need to be admitted to hospital that we see in our emergency departments. And this takes an enormous amount of hospital resource to deal with. As a new thing this year, there's a new vaccine called the RSV vaccine that's just been approved, and it's being offered to pregnant mothers after 28 weeks of pregnancy. And what happens is if the mother accepts having this vaccine, then she makes antibodies to the RSV virus and then passes these antibodies to her baby while it's inside the womb. So when the baby's born, it's already born with some protection against RSV. So RSV stands for respiratory syncytial virus, and that's what is the majority cause of bronchiolitis. And so we really hope that if this vaccine has a wide uptake in pregnant mothers, that we potentially can see a massive reduction in the number of babies that we need to see in hospital or need to be admitted. It really potentially is a massive game changer within paediatrics.